Understanding Hormonal Imbalance, a guide for English language learners. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic in the world of health and biology: hormonal imbalance. It's a term you might hear in conversations about health, in medical settings, or when discussing changes in the body. Let's break it down together, making it easy and engaging for you to understand and learn. Before diving into hormonal imbalance, it's crucial to understand what hormones are. Hormones are chemical messengers produced by glands in the body. They travel through the bloodstream and regulate many of our body's functions like growth, metabolism, and mood. Think of them as the body's postal service, delivering important messages to keep things running smoothly. In our body, balance is key. This is especially true for hormones. A balanced state means that hormones are being produced at just the right levels. Not too much, not too little. This balance is essential for our body's well-being and proper functioning. Now, let's focus on hormonal imbalance. This occurs when there is too much or too little of a hormone in the bloodstream. Because of their essential role in the body, even small hormonal imbalances can cause side effects throughout the body. It's like having too many or too few postal workers. The mail either piles up or doesn't get delivered at all. Hormonal imbalances can be caused by a variety of factors. This includes stress, an unhealthy diet, medical conditions, or even natural life changes like puberty or menopause. The effects can vary widely, from fatigue and weight changes to more severe health issues. Understanding these causes and effects is crucial in recognizing and addressing hormonal imbalances. To fully grasp hormonal imbalance, let's look at some related terms. Endocrine glands, organs that produce hormones. Metabolism, the process by which the body converts food into energy. Puberty, a phase of life where adolescents develop physical changes as they transition into adults. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of hormonal imbalance and its importance in our bodies. Remember, understanding such terms not only expands your English vocabulary but also enhances your knowledge of important health topics. Stay curious, keep learning, and we'll see you in our next video.